How to fix Discord sorry you have been blocked error message. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Click on the search icon given at the bottom left corner and then type in check for updates. After it appears, open it. Now click on this option check for updates and update your Windows to its latest version. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. Heading towards next solution, click on the search box and then type in firewall and network protection and search for it. Now click on domain network and then toggle off for this option of Microsoft Defender Firewall. Once you do that, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. In the case you use Discord in the browser, what you have to do is open the browser. Now click on three dots given at the top right corner, hit towards the option of extensions, open it. Now over here you will find all the extensions that are installed in your browser. You can remove the extension that you might think is causing the problem, just click on remove. Click on remove again. With this, your problem might be fixed. Likewise, heading towards next solution, again click on three dots. Now head towards the option of history, open it. Now click on clear browsing data. Set it to all time, check in for all these options and click on clear data. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix this for sorry you have been blocked error message. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.